Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the feature so the system remembers multiple copies. Open Settings, go to System and choose Clipboard, turn on Clipboard History. You do this because the default stores only the last item, and enabling history lets you access many entries. Once enabled, try copying two different texts to confirm it stores both. If you want retention, pin critical snippets. Pinned entries persist even after restarts. This initial step unlocks the rest of the workflow. Now learn how to retrieve and manage entries. Press Windows+V to open the Clipboard pane, which lists recent items in chronological order. Click any item to paste it into your active app. You can also drag and drop some items into documents. Use the pin icon to preserve frequently used snippets and clear all to remove everything when cleaning up. Make sure to review image versus text entries, because large images consume more space and may affect performance. Finish by syncing and resolving common issues. Enable Clipboard Sync in Settings if you want entries across your devices. Sign in with the same Microsoft account on each machine. Once done, test syncing by copying on one device and opening Windows+V on another. If entries fail to appear, restart the Clipboard user service or sign out and back in. This often resolves permission or cache glitches. If problems persist, clear Clipboard history and re-enable the feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.